Will the big trucks get by here?
I decided to make a video because it's a very rainy day in Houston today, and the whole city pretty much shuts down when it rains too much in Houston because it floods so badly and so quickly. I think we had about 6 inches of rain in a span of like 6 hours or something like that, and apparently the city is not built for floods whatsoever. Like, freeways closed, people's houses get flooded everywhere, like so many parts of Houston. It's an absolute mess. But luckily for me, my absence is excused by the university because the freeway I take to work every day is closed. So I won't be to work today. Hey, so I put castor oil on my eyelashes and my brows last night, and they got my eyelashes looking right. During times of disaster like this, you always hope nobody gets hurt. You know, you always hope people are smart enough to know not to do anything to die. And sometimes it happens, and that sucks. What I like about these times is like seeing the good Samaritans and the good people on the news that risk their lives or go out of their way to help somebody else, you know? I think stories are like that are cool just because there's so much shit going on in the world to where you have to appreciate the good that is happening, because if you didn't, you would drive yourself mad and you would be afraid to live, and you really have to make sure you pay attention to the person that has helped, who saved people from drowning and from burning buildings and jumped in front of a bullet. And you just really got to think about stuff like that to keep you going, really. At least that's what keeps me going, just because I have to admit that I worry, but what keeps my mind, you know, sound is knowing that there is a lot of good in the world, like a lot that we don't see on the news, you know. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say, really. That reminds me, I follow this police officer. His name is Tommy Norman. You have most likely heard of him, maybe not, but he is this police officer in Arkansas, I believe, Little Rock, Arkansas, and he is just the most phenomenal example of policing that I have seen. Like, you know, a lot of people, I think a lot of people associate police just with like enforcing laws, but he is a different side of the police that I think we need to pay more attention to, and that they need to focus on more to just do away with a lot that might be happening. But he's very big on community. He's very involved with his community. He just is a perfect example. Every video, I watch every single one of his videos because he posts like videos of people in the community. So if you don't follow him, you should definitely go look him up. What?
Is this dish soap?
I don't know. I think so. What is that?
Milk and black pepper.
Okay, what are you doing?
Apparently, you take your finger with dish soap on it.
And what's
And
that
it's
in the bowl?
supposed to make milk and black pepper sprinkled on top. And the black pepper is supposed to go to the edge of the bowl. I'm hoping it works.
Oh!
That's cool. Were you recording?
Oh my gosh. Yes, I was.
No. That's cool, right?
What the heck? And it won't go back to the middle.
No. I don't know why it does that.
That's so
I saw it on
cool.
Twitter and I was like, oh, we have all those ingredients.
That's cool.
Yeah, I just wasted milk. But, you know.
Yeah, you did waste some milk.
See? Yours did it cooler.
That's so cool.
It's 26 degrees and I'm freezing. I'm going to get some breakfast now. But look, my first snow angel. Ain't that something? Hell yeah. Alright, that's one thing off my bucket list. What's next? Woo!
If you don't pass this class, you don't graduate. I have.
I just left my first day of my last class. Donald Trump is president officially. He was inaugurated like 30 minutes ago. And it's a lot of emotions that I'm feeling right now. Stop doing that! This stinks. Smells like fertilizer.
Sell me bullshit if that's all you got. So, for I almost hit a lick on the.
Can you not?